This lesson is called Map and Compass. Objectives for this lesson are the students will be able to locate various land features on a map and be able to identify main parts of a compass. They will also be able to plot a course using a map and compass, measure distance between 2 points on a map, and determine locations using triangulation. Okay. For the first activity, you're going to map scavenger hunt. And here you're going to use the SWES topographic maps, and you're also going to use the map of symbols. And on here, there are a map of symbols so the students know what to look for on here. And you're going to also hand out the map scavenger hunt. And that is what you're going to use the symbols to find each one of these on the map. For the next activity, hand out the compasses and make sure that all the students know the different parts of the compass. And you can use this large scale of the compass to describe each component on the smaller one. Next activity is called taking a reading from a map using a compass. During this activity, the students will learn how to take a reading from a map using a compass. And you're going to use the SWES topographic maps for this activity. And you're going to use a compass. And you're going to hand out the Which Way Do I Go lesson. And there's little things here that you read, descriptions, and they need to find each one at the map. And the key is that each one of these triangles is a point, but they need to figure out which one is which. And then you're going to go from one point to the next, and you're going to follow with the compass and make sure your line of travel arrow is going the way that you want to go. Or say you want to go this way. And always make sure that your north on your compass is going north on the map as well. So this way is north, so right now we're going north. And then for the next activity, you're going to measure distance on a map. You want to ask the students to find the scale on the map, and just if they can't find it, point out that there is a scale at the bottom of our topographic map of SWES, and there is a scale that measures in miles, kilometers, and feet. And you want to explain that you can use the scale to measure the distance on a map. And after they learn how to plot a course and measure distances, have them go about outside and find the actual locations outside. This last activity is an optional activity and is called triangular activity. This activity will help the students understand how to use the map and compass to save them from getting lost. Have them find 2 spots on the map and on the landscape that are easy to see. And here you want to hand out the I Think I'm Lost worksheet. And on here you can see that you're going to be using these 2 spots on the map. And you're going to go, here it says 71 degrees to the church and 140 degrees from the intersection. And you want to find where you are. And this one is already done. And you can see you have to move your dial and figure out that this is where you are. And you want to make sure that inside here you can see that there's black lines. You want to make sure that they are parallel with the red lines under here. And then you want to draw. So then that'll tell you where you are, and that'll help you from getting lost. To conclude the lesson, you want to do a review of the compass components. And you want to, again, define orienteering. Locate this. Also, you want to recap the objectives, which is locate various land features on a map. Plot a course using a map and compass. Measure between 2 points on a map, and determine location using triangulation.